I found that we are spending 7.6 billion rands per year on NPOs. 7.6 billion per year. And I've been saying to the department, if we are spending 7.6 billion, why are we not seeing a difference on the ground? Because if we are spending 7.6 billion, the people who you are giving the money to should be the ones that are making the difference. So government just comes in and says, we are creating the conducive environment by giving the money. That's the first thing. And I've said to the department, I'm not blaming other people that have been here because I don't want this understanding. No. I'm saying I appreciate all the things that others, my predecessors, did for us to get here. But now there are new questions we need to ask ourselves. And if we ask ourselves those questions at national, provincial, and local, because Mangbuza, a question 80, where is that 7.6 billion going to?